Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this boxing board. This is a really neat way that you can actually just exercise at home, maybe get out a little frustrations on the board. On the actual box, you've got a pair of gloves here, another pair of gloves, which is awesome. So you have two different styles of gloves. This is more of a hard one at the top, so it kind of angles over your hand. And this is more of a freestyle glove where you can put your fingers in and it's a lot more flexible. So that's really nice that you have different styles of boxing gloves. Or if you wanted to have two people play, you both get a pair of gloves and you can take turns a little easier. So inside the box, we have the actual board, and then we have a mounting strip that you could use. Now this can be mounted in several different ways. You can drill it directly into the wall. You can Velcro it up there. I'm actually going to be doing the Velcro strips because we've got kids, and when we box, it'll be a lot higher than what the kids would want to box. So if you have those strips, then you can actually just move this up and down based on the height that you need to have. So we're going to install the back of these strips on, and then I got some down on my wall. We'll go put those on there. But these would just go right here on the back, and they do have a double-sided tape on here to be able to stick on. So we will go put that on. Now, if you did just want to use the tape on here, this is sticky, that you could just stick it to the wall instead. Like I said, we're going to use that tape. Now on the front of the board, you've got your power button here, and you actually can control this through your phone for the Bluetooth, play different music. And then these 6 little pads, like this is all a really nice, soft foam feeling stuff right here. And whenever you're punching it, then it won't be like hitting a hard wall. You've got 6 different things right here that will light up the different colors based on what your phone is playing. So you can make this as challenging or as easy as you want to have it, because it's going to kind of light up according to the beat of the music. All right, I've added my Velcro strips on the wall here. And then to add them onto the back, I'm just going to go the opposite way. So that way I can easily line them up. I'm going to put my power cord at the bottom, so that way I have easy access to the outlet. And this just pulls right off. So you can then tape it on the, and then if you look at the back of this, you actually can see your 2 holes that you would then mount it if you did just want to mount it in one place. So if you just had a single user, then you can just easily mount this up and you've got it in the same place every time. And you don't have to worry about using all of this Velcro. Now do be mindful when you're using the Velcro, you'll have to watch out for your painted walls or textured walls, anything like that, because that will make a difference when you are going to remove it later on, or how it holds up. So now we've got that on there. Now we are going to stick this up. Perfect. We've got our 2 sets of gloves, and then we have, in this little bag, you have your mounting hardware, as well as your little USB cord. So we will get this plugged in. Now it does not come with a USB block to be able to put this into the wall, so you will need to provide your own USB block to plug in. So I've got my son here, and he's going to play boxing with us. Now this is actually just, you charge it up with this cord, so you don't have to have that on. That just charges it. So that makes this so versatile, because you can take it off the wall, get it charged up. Hey, you got gloves. So the little blue lights go off, and it just hits wherever it goes. Now you can connect this into a Bluetooth and listen to your own music while you're doing it, or you can use their own. This is a great way to be able to punch at things and not actually put holes in anything or hit your hands real hard. Because it is a nice little area to play on.